Hi, I'm Kate Fairley from Get Informed. I thought I'd try my hands at another video blog, so let's see how we go. Earlier this week, I wrote a blog post about trees falling down and how that works with your insurance and when you can claim and when you can't claim on your policy. In order to make a claim on your policy for something like a tree falling down, it needs to have caused damage to something that's insured. Now, if you take a look at your policy wording, you'll find that the grass, trees, and shrubs are not insured because they're not actually classified as building or contents. They're excluded under the definition section. Same thing if the tree's fallen down on a shed out the back and the shed was actually a construction job that you did yourself. You just waxed some corrugated iron together and called that a shed. If that doesn't come under the definition of an outbuilding in your policy because it required a council permit or it wasn't a defined structure and your policy wording's pretty narrow in that definition, then even if the tree falls down and damages that building, if it's not classified as a building by the definition, then again, they're not going to pay to remove the tree or the stump. And it's at this point where you get people who jump on social media and complain about their insurance company not paying claims. The insurance company isn't doing anything wrong, right? They're paying the claim according to the policy wording, which you agreed to. It's not their fault that you didn't read the damn thing. I mean, seriously, did you honestly expect that by shopping your premium around every year and going for the cheapest one, that they would actually be generous in their claim settlements? Sure, they'll pay for the whole house burning down. But for stuff like this, they can be pretty narrow in what they will and won't pay. Now here's the part where I tell you how to bribe your insurance company. And it's not something that you can actually do yourself. I can tell you right now, even if you have a beach house with them and 2 car policies and then your kid's car and your neighbor's car and you know all these people in the world, that's not going to do much for you. If you have your insurance through a broker, however, brokers have books of business which are worth millions. So if they've got a client who's going to suffer significant financial hardship because of a technicality like this, where say there's storm damage and there's just a little bit of wear and tear, your insurance broker can come in like a knight in shining armor, use their relationships and actually get you some money from these guys. It's called an ex gratia payment, which is a Latin term that probably means something like goodwill, because that's what the insurance company is doing. So the broker might say that, I've got all this business with you and I'll keep placing business with you if you do me this favor. Nothing like bribery or anything, just more of a, if you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours kind of thing. And it's for the benefit of you. Brokers do this stuff for you because they want to help you, and the insurance companies go along with this because they want to help you as well. So the trick to bribing your insurance company is actually to let the experts do it for you. If you'd like your own personal knight in shining armor, then head on over to Get Informed and find yourself a broker. If you've used a broker in the past and you'd like to give them a testimonial because you've received that knight in shining armor service, I'd be really grateful if you could use our Rate My Broker function and get in touch with them so that they can all get on board with Get Informed and we can change the way people think about insurance.